What is 6 for you is 9 for somebody. So what is bad for you is good for somebody. Greetings to everyone. This is Lata Sharan, second year student of Aligarh Muslim University, pursuing BSc Honours with Computer Application. Friends, 2020 is the most powerful and influential year of the century. It has changed the way we think, way we live, meet and greet, and also the mindsets of all human beings in all possible manners. No doubt, the year 2020 has gone through the COVID-19 pandemic, but also storms, floods, forest fires, and blasts. Deaths in a huge number, thrashing of livelihoods due to migration of labor class, and several other issues has affected persons physically as well as mentally. Education, which is as important as anything, has now become a prop to be mocked at due to the unavailability of resources. Now, as we enter into new normal, few individuals has dedicated their lives towards protecting and reviving the forests and the nature is something to be inspired from. And if I talk at an individual level, people has realized that they were spending their time and money and even the thoughts on the things which aren't that important. But why they were doing so? Just to flaunt or to look appealing to others. And during this lockdown, in their own personal company, in their own environment of family, they have realized that these expensive clothes and the makeup and these accessories are not as much important as the other things are. These things are not as worth as they were thinking. The photos and videos we clicked used to be stored in our galleries and were hard to be looked at. Even the throwbacks and flashbacks were not having so much of importance. But in 2020, people had celebrated festivals, national occasions, and has relived the moments through these photos and videos in their galleries and the throwbacks and going into the flashbacks. At one hand, where people have afraid to give another person a lift or to help somebody since he or she might have some COVID symptoms. On the other hand, NGO and the people on individual level has come out in a large number to help the needy ones. And if you look at the doctors and the health workers has indeed paid a lot by working 24 into 7, keeping their life at risk, and also when their payments and salaries are still not being paid. Not going much in depth, I'll be sharing the ongoing part. Suppose if the same event, Tarang short video competition, is offline, then obviously I would not have moved to slide. But now I am participating, and several others like me are also participating from a distant land. Similar other online competitions are also going across the country where people of a small town are also participating. On the other hand, online system is also creating a fear of misuse of our personal information that we are providing in all these online competitions. So till far, what I have come across is that everything is having their pros and cons. So the 2020 is also having some good as well as some bad shots in the story. Every year humanity exists is a good year, and that's how the 2020 has been indeed. There are good and bad in every aspect of life. We either remain optimistic and see the roses, or be a pessimistic and stare at the thorns oblivious of those roses. That's all. Thank you.